Greetings, engineers, highway enthusiasts. James Muridi here, and today I'm super happy. I'm actually feeling very intrinsically motivated because today is a special day. And why is it special? Today is a day of it's a graduation day for Cohort Alpha 3, who have been able to successfully complete our 5 weeks training program in highway design using Civil 3D. And I am particularly happy because also we are seeing the fruits of our mission that we set in the start of, I think it was last year, where we said that our main purpose is to ensure that we are equipping young professionals with practical skills to help them develop themselves, advance in their career endeavors, but most importantly, add value in their workspaces, add value in projects. And that is what we're seeing here. And I'm very proud of this cohort. Today, we've been able to issue over 58 participants with their certificates of completion, which is a maxim to conquer the marketplace. I'm certain about that. I'm very confident because these gentlemen have showcased extraordinary commitment, to the program, to their personal development. They have also showcased a craftsman mindset, a mindset to solve problems, a mindset, to get things done. And I have three interesting things that I enjoyed throughout this program. Number one is I have been able to ignite the creativity and curiosity of our engineers. And one interesting aspect is the classes used to be longer than usual and deeper than the previous cohorts. I have to acknowledge that. And one of the main reasons was the participants in this specific cohort were not focused on the clicks, they were focused on what is the science behind that? Why are you making this decision at that point? Why are you asking us to do that specific thing? And that I really appreciate that because it was not from a point of challenging. It was from a point of I want really to understand that concept so that also after this program I am able to make independent decisions, and you're able also to customize that knowledge. We call it a transferable knowledge. You're able to transfer that knowledge across the various project that you ever do. That's the first thing. The second thing was this was the most hands-on cohort that I have had. Been doing this for quite some time, but this is one of the most practical cohorts. One of the key things that we have in our project, and that I always emphasize, is deliberate practice. And for us to enforce the deliberate practice concept, is we have curated deliverables. So these deliverables or project milestones they are meant to help the learners to execute the things that we learned in the previous session. So, for example, existing ground mounting. So we work with survey data, import them, model the surfaces, the triangulations, and all of that. So you have now to create a model for your project. And that is how you actually get things done. And in this specific thing, it was super interesting. I engineered some problems in the survey data. And then after now they modeled, we had a lot of spikes, we had a lot of triangulations, some sliver triangles in their surface. And I end to play, I disappeared, and these people end to solve their problems. So this is where we encourage problem solving, we encourage imagination. For example, for you as an engineer, when you go to site, it's like you're going there to solve problems. So if you're going there to solve problems and then you're here asking me, how do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? Oh man, come on. You really need to think around it because the basic template is the same. it's the same. The knowledge is the same. But now, how can you use your own knowledge, your own skills, your own thinking, your own engineering principles, your own ability to, to look through things to solve a problem. So that is one thing that I enjoyed here. And in this, the existing ground modeling was one of the biggest challenges. And up to this, I have honorable mentions for Byron Sagriet from South Africa. He showcased exceptional problem-solving skills. I think he's one of us here. There is another Paul Muhidi who has been also very active here. There is Blasias. There is Tony Gatimu. There is Wesley who have been also supporting us very much. There is Abigail, there is Moses. These are people that have showcased exceptional skills, going the extra mile and solving problems within their teams. So that is it from me. Those are the things that I really enjoyed in this cohort. And my call today, as you guys get to, transition to the next level, is I'm actually challenging employers, people who are working remotely. When that one person posts that certificate, give them a small task, gauge them and see the results that they can offer. I'm super, super, super confident because I know they have elevated themselves. They are great now. So that's it. So my statement to you people as you proceed is, as you graduate from this program, is now you possess a powerful set of skills in raw design. I encourage you to be a change maker in your various workspaces. Utilize your expertise to create sustainable and innovative designs. And your newfound knowledge is a valuable asset, of course, and I have no doubt that it will make a significant impact on the projects you undertake. Always remember, it's something that I carry on even from my mentors, that the idea is to always share knowledge, to always add value. And out of that, of course, I'm going to add value to also all of you. This was the other day when we were talking about join us, join us, join us. And, here we are now. A whole cohort of around 58 people are graduating with their certificates, globally recognized certificates. And most importantly, they have the skill to add value. So if you meet with these people in a job interview, if you meet them at a project, I'm very sure they will outsmart you. I'm very confident about that. And then we have created a learning hub, so you don't have to feel like you're missing out. So this is a learning hub, which is Ron's hub, where we will be training individuals. We are putting up a very great team, and in this one we are envisioning, where we want to infuse a culture of continuous learning, collaboration, and excellence, so that we can shape the future of road design, connectivity, and environmental harmony. So we are creating a new era of holistic design engineers. And as a starter pack, you know, we are starting with our Global Civil 3D Bootcamp. This is technically for undergraduate engineers so that they can have a perspective. This is focused on more mindset and basic learning of the Civil 3D software. We had a great technical session. You can always check it out. We have our YouTube channel up there. We have uploaded that. And it's going to start on Friday, this Friday. So if you're yet to get your slot, rush in the WhatsApp group, get to join us as we change this. This one will be a starter pack for any undergraduate student. You need to get yourself to have a taste of it, because I've noticed that people who have started from zero, they didn't have any prior knowledge, just basic knowledge of understanding even something as simple as this, the interface. Now they are struggling now in the road design, the advanced package that people are graduating from here. So this will be a great starter pack for you, just to to get you started and understand the basic concept. And then of course the April cohort, which will be the ultimate game changer. The ultimate game changer is coming your way just at 50, just $50. The waiting list is right up there on my profile. Just click there, fill in your forms. I'll be communicating to you very soon. And of course, we proceed, we conquer. So if you want to understand the whole, road design workflow, if you want to know how to, work on a 6 kilometer road project, if you want to have one-on-one consultations with me, if you want to know how to generate design reports, setting out data and all of that, if you want to have recorded classes that you can always refer to even after you graduate from this program, then this is right here the game changer for you. You want to change yourself from just another consumer, another person who just clicks, to a person who uses Civil 3D to provide solutions to your employers, to your, to your clients, and basically everyone. And of course, that can be achieved even if you are not in a position to join us now. We totally understand that. But we have our Ultimate Learning Hub, which is our Roads Hub YouTube channel. I'll be dropping the link right here for you people to subscribe to us, enjoy our content. I'm going to premiere a very powerful lesson actually today. I'm uploading a lot of good content. I've been working on that for especially for beginners. I'm taking care of beginners because we all start from somewhere. I started from a rough stuff. I started from guessing, second guessing, getting mentors here and there, and here we are. So if I'm at this level, then I can help you get at exceptional levels. And of course, after you do all of this, right, you have your skills, you have basically everything that you need to have. Then, how do you package yourself now to be actually an asset, to be a value provider, to be a problem solver? So that's where we have partnership with Lapid Leaders Africa. I have been a member of Lapid Leaders Africa. They have trained me genuinely. Even coming up with this whole business idea, it was the CEO at Lapin Leaders Africa, Madam Esther Mwaniki, that we really got in an super intense conversation, and I like how she asked questions. So this whole idea was, James, how do you think about this? James, how do you think about this? James, how do you see this? James, how do you see this? So she would push me until I could be able to refine my ideas and how we could do this. So we have an upcoming intake that is happening in March. All right, we have recruitment that is open today. Will be the official day to launch it. And as we launch this specific webinar, we have one and only Mudhoni Njoroge. I know all of you on LinkedIn here have been able to interact with her. I've been also in one of our cohort. I think it was cohort 1. Super great content, especially on how to brand yourself now. So you don't have to be in engineering, you can be in any field as long as you want to brand yourself and to become an asset to yourself and an asset to any organization that you work for, an asset to your friends, an asset to everyone to make the world a better place. Then this is right here. If you want your career progress, join us today. We will be doing a webinar. We will be doing a super great webinar on lucrative career success. How personal branding now can help you to succeed in your career. And one interesting thing is I will be a co-host. So we'll be hosting alongside Leslie Mwangi, another top graduate of Lapid Leaders Africa. So I'm looking forward to see you. Let's meet today at 7 p.m. The link to register is right down here. Join us today and be able to rebrand yourself. For Cohort Alpha 3, this is a great offer for you. You already have the skill, you have everything that you need to do now. You have the confidence, you are now a problem solver. So this right here will be your most lucrative thing to do. Package yourself, sell yourself out to the world, and the world will be able to understand what is this value that this gentleman, this lady, this professional can be able to offer. So thank you so much. Cheers and see you.